So we have our beautiful patient here. She's going to have surgery soon, and this is a pre-op visit. She's going to tell us the 3 things that bothers her with her nose.
Okay, so I don't like the hump here and just the aesthetic of my nose.
Sure.
The tip. So I'm hoping that it could be fixed and look more cuter and smaller.
Okay, awesome. What's the second thing that bothers you?
Also, like my side profile, I don't like it.
Okay. So you don't like the tip drooping, you don't like the side profile that's coming out too much?
Yes.
Okay. And you also don't like just so large and you want it to be smaller and cuter.
Correct.
Okay, so we can see compared to the corneal level, you see how this nose is significantly coming out. All the beautiful girls get their nose from their dad. And then you can see it doesn't have good support here. So we're going to support this, we're going to lower it, and we're going to combine a piezoelectric ultrasonic rhinoplasty, lowering, narrowing the bone, and bringing the legs of the pyramid closer to the face. When we do that, the eye is going to pop out because it's going to be not so far sunken in because of the shadow effect. So I'm excited because we're going to use cartilage graft to support the tip while we're lowering it. The upper portion is going to be preservation, preserving the ligaments and also attachment of the upper lateral cartilage to the septum, and the tip we're going to secure it with the tip graft, with the septal extension graft. In addition, we need to narrow the bones here, and we also going to work inside the nose and improve the breathing. Which side of your nose is worse or better? Can you tell me?
I don't see a difference. I feel like they look the same on both.
Yeah,
like,
as far as
just
breathing,
the profile is.
the breathing is the same. You have
On the
both
left
sides?
side, I feel like it's more.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, awesome. So good. Do you have any questions?
I do not.
Okay.
No.
So I want to also review for our audience to see this tip. This doesn't have good support, and you can feel the bone and cartilage here, and it almost feels like the tip is falling off of a cliff. So in this case, we need to bring it closer, and we need to support this. We have a better rotation and projection. So love it.
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome.
Excited.